I'm Ice, and I'm here to share my experience renewing my car registration at LTO. So, two things why I'm doing this video. Number one, actually, makalimutin talaga ako. So, I'm doing this to remind myself. Thankfully, every year, binibigyan rin ako ng list ng mother-in-law ko kung ano kailangan namin gawin. And number two, I'm not an adulting expert, but I'm learning along the way, and I'd like to share my learnings with you. Today, we'll discuss the following topics. Registration schedule. Number two, we'll discuss steps and requirements. And some tips I'd like to share with you and feedback of my experience. So, pag bumili ka ng bagong car, your initial registration is actually good for 3 years. But after that, once it expires, you need to renew on schedule to avoid a penalty. So the monthly schedule will depend on the last digit of your plate number. So 1 January, 2 February, and so on until 0 is for October. You can renew your registration up to 1 month in advance. So I would suggest that you prepare early. So in our case, nanda na namin lahat ng documents, insurance, tapos don't forget to bring your OR, CR, and photocopy mo din yun. So on the day itself, napaparenew mo na, pumunta kami sa branch na malapit and wala masyadong tao. Pumunta kami car emission testing and sandali lang yun, less than 30 minutes. Emission test costs around 480. And then after that, pumunta na kami LTO. Tapos, pagdating sa harap na LTO, may namimigay doon ng form. So fill that up. Actually, after nun may mag-a-assist din sa inyo. And mag-i-inspect sila ng car. So make sure your car's in good condition. Yung headlights, tapos yung brakes, and make sure you have the tools needed for your car.
Signal light, sir. Kabila po. Naipit ng brake.
After noon, binigyan kami LTO ng number, tapos pumila na kami, tapos tinawag kami ng cashier, and we paid the fees needed. And then, nakuha na namin yung stickers and yung bagong OR. Yan, mabilis lang, di ba? But I have some tips para mas mapadali pa yung application process ninyo. Number one, register early and of course, be early. Kami, doon na kami mga 7:30 to 8. So, konti pa lang yung tao. Being early, of course, will help you avoid penalties and long lines. Tip number two, choose a branch na konti yung tao. Prepare your documents in advance. And mahalaga tong fourth tip ko, wear appropriate attire. Bawal ang sleeveless. And bring enough cash, around 3,000 pesos. Ito yung breakdown natin ng fees. For insurance, it's around 600 pesos. Emission test, around 480. And for LTO car registration, 1,830. And my sixth tip, yun nga, is to keep your car in good running condition bago kayo magpa-renew ng registration. And of course, don't pay fixers or LTO officers para mapabilis yung proseso. Kasi guys, actually, mas madali na tong process ngayon compared to few years ago. Number 8, keep your OR, CR, and car sticker in your car at all times. In our case, nagpo-photocopy na lang kami. Yun yung iniiwan namin sa car. Feedback on the experience, before, dreaded ko talaga pumunta sa ganito. Pero, admittedly, mas madali na talaga ang process ngayon compared before. Nawala na rin yung stenciling process na yun yung nagpapatagal and nagpapahirap sa registration. Mabilis ko natapos, in 1 hour tapos na. May free coffee pa and water sa branch na napuntahan ko. And of course, implemented na rin yung no noon time break. So, good job to LTO. And I hope this video helped you guys sa inyong car registration. If it did help you, please subscribe to my channel. It would help a lot. Kung meron kayong mga feedback, suggestions, don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you guys and thank you for watching.